Hello friends, this is Prithviraj Patra and I am going to take a video on TIG welding, that is Tungsten Inert Gas welding. This is named because the tungsten electrode is used to weld the material, and tungsten is a non-consumable electrode. In this welding, we'll use a non-consumable electrode, and tungsten has very high heat resisting capacity. And, here you can see here clearly that workpiece is being welded with the tungsten inert gas welding, and a shielding gas, shielding gas is provided to make the weld prevent from oxidization. And here, as coming to working, here when workpiece is kept on the surface, the welding will be done with a welding torch, and tungsten electrode will be used to make the welding. Then shielding gas will be passed from the weld to prevent it from oxidization. And then this welding can be used for non-ferrous metals and thin sheets and metals like which are not ferrous, like aluminum, copper. So for these materials you can weld this with tungsten inert gas welding, and the electrode will be non-consumable. And here we can see the 3D picture of the welding. And as coming to 2D picture, this is the picture, and workpiece being welded with this torch. Flame is coming from the torch, and the filler rod will be kept, and tungsten rod is a non-consumable rod, and inert gas supplied to make the weld prevented from oxidization, and a power DC supply will be given here. And so you can see here clearly that non-consumable tungsten electrode is used, which will not consume, and the filler rod is used to make the weld properly. And the shielding gas will be provided to prevent it from oxidization. And then here arc is struck between the non-consumable tungsten electrode and the workpiece to fuse metals. Here arc is struck between the non-consumable electrode, means tungsten electrode, and the workpiece to fuse the metals and to make the weld. Arc is covered by a layer of shielding gas which acts as flux and keeps the nitrogen and oxygen in the air from coming in contact with the molten metal. Filler rod may not be used. If a filler rod is used, it should be the same composition as the base metal. The filler rod is fed manually into the leading edge of the pedal. The torch may be moved in semicircular motion to vary the width of the bend. And here this is the 2D picture of the welding. Here torch body, the electrode lead, where we will insert the electrode, and solidified weld metal, molten weld metal, gas shield, filler metal. This is about welding, and I think this video may give you some good notes. Thank you.